Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how can we create UIDatePicker mode. Let's start with definition of enum. Enum UIDatePicker mode. And let's write here int. It's type annotation, it means type annotation in here, and let's rewrite the case of that denominator or enum case time date and time countdown timer. Yes, let's pass our let date picker definition. First of all, let me define date picker equal UI date picker mode. UI date picker, and then let's inside put it our date picker of the frame. It's CG rectangular. It will be a rectangular shape for that date picker, and let me put inside that value of x, y, and width and height. Let me write values for them. Let me pass date picker date picker date picker mode equal that countdown timer. It means when we want to write inside our view at area, it will show that countdown timer. And let me continue date picker that minute interval 2, and then let me show you view that edit subview date picker. Let me show you how can we change those values when we want to add something. As you see, it shows in our screen 2 minutes. It means minute of interval 2. And also it makes our date picker of countdown timer. It's if we change that value to time, it will show our at the moment of time. Let's we see, it means PM 11.48. If we add date picker countdown duration, it means if we write here countdown timer, and if we do in here 6 cross 6, it makes 24 hours for countdown, or it will show 1 hour. If we change that value to 1, it means 1 times 60, it means like 1 minute. Let's we see in simulation, and we we give default value 2. If we change it to 0, it will show in the screen again 2 because we don't have any other number. Yes, it shows 1. We add some different value to see exchange. For example, 10 times 60. It shows 10 minutes because 60 times 10, it means 600, and it equals to 10 minutes. And if we change that area to date, and we will see exchange in simulation area. For example, we are seeing that place our date, and if you want to change that value to 25, for example, it will goes to the left side of screen because it makes less for that gap. And if we increase to 200, it makes much more bigger left side of mobile and this date picker area. Let's we take it the first value, and if we change that 125 for y to 500, it will make that date to the goes down because this gap is 500. If we put it that y to 125, it will make 125 distance, so it will goes upside of the screen. Let me show you again. Sorry. If we increase the width means the date picker of the width. If we increase it, it shows a bigger width. But as you see, it's so big, therefore it couldn't define that width. We take it as existable value to 300, and as you see, it shows us with 300. And yes, as you see, we show in here date picker of the date and countdown minutes interval, and also another form such as, let me show you lastly, date and time. As you see, it shows in simulation date and time because we write here date and time. Thank you so much for listening this lecture, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like my video. Thank you so much.